Most cars don't die because they're bad, they die because of 3 things that car owners ignore in the first 12 months. Do these next 3 things right and you can add years to your car's life. If you hear squeaking, grinding, or your car's taking a little bit longer to stop, your brakes need immediate attention. You definitely want to check out on this. And also you want to make sure that you're looking at your tire pressure and the treads on your tires. Super important to maintain your vehicle in this fashion. Your car actually warns you before it brakes. A lot of people just end up ignoring some of these warning signs and these sensors and lights going off on your dash. You don't want to do that. Early fixes can cost you hundreds of dollars versus waiting might cost you thousands, or you might end up just losing your vehicle. Some important warning lights that may come on might be the ABS, the airbag light, the check engine light. Super important. You want to check underneath the vehicle and see that there's no puddles or anything, because that could be a leak somewhere, and that's something to definitely not ignore. A lot of these issues are pretty easy to solve, but once you, like I said earlier, once you keep on waiting and letting this problem grow, it's going to be way harder to solve. How you drive has a huge impact on how long your car lasts. You're gonna wanna avoid flooring it or braking too hard. You wanna protect your tires. That's the main thing as to driving like that. If you drive, you're slamming the brakes, you're sending it like you're gonna wear your tires off that much faster, and it's gonna end up costing you more money in the long run. You really wanna avoid just sitting idle and letting your engine just run. It just puts that much more stress on the vehicle. You wanna keep it as healthy as possible. Just make sure you shut it off and you'll be fine. And make sure you're driving slower over potholes or bumps. You want to keep your alignment happy and healthy, and that's one way to do so. Don't make yourself have to get a wheel alignment earlier than you have to, because it is going to hurt your pocket unless you're coming to us, of course. Okay, so remember guys, car service is not optional. It is the strategy to make sure that your car lasts as long as possible. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys. If your car needs service, we're located at 665 Southwest 8th Street, Miami, Florida, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.